Our top story. How? Just how is this happening? Today, almost 1 crore of new notes, yes, all bright pink, have been seized in Bengaluru. The total haul today from around the country is almost 1.5 crores. This would need 6 lakh trips to an ATM if you are an ordinary citizen. The clear nexus between some bank officials and middlemen now clearly evident. In fact, an RBI official was arrested today as well.
Tax authorities have seized about 120 crores of unaccounted cash since demonetization was announced. Since one ATM withdrawal is capped at 2,000 rupees, it would take a mind-bending 6 lakh trips to the ATM to get this amount. The big question, how is new black money coming out of the system when on the surface, banks and ATMs are running dry?
The key are a wide network of middlemen laundering old cash for new. In Bengaluru, the Enforcement Directorate arrested 8 people and seized 93 lakh rupees in new currency after raids at multiple locations in Karnataka over the weekend. ED officials approached the touts posing as interested parties wanting to convert old demonetized currency and trapped the middlemen.
The raid came after crucial information was revealed during the interrogation of S.C. Jayachandra, the Karnataka engineer who was raided, and 5.7 crores in new notes were seized. How have a few managed to get such large amounts of cash? The answer, investigators say, may lie with corrupt bank officials working in tandem with middlemen.
On the other hand, a RBI staffer, K. Michael, the senior special assistant, has been arrested by CBI. The allegation is that he and 2 others helped convert nearly 1 crore 51 lakh rupees.
In the financial system, integrity of the financial system is of paramount importance. I can tell you that when we used to do manual transactions for 1 rupee difference, we used to spend 8 to 10 days or 15 days till such time that 1 rupee was found.
But how did these touts access so much new currency given the restrictions on withdrawing cash?
So here's how they were doing it. While notes were still being exchanged at banks, a lot of these black money holders would turn up with identity cards, a bulk of them, to some of these corrupt bank officers. And in exchange of 1 identity card, by producing 1 identity card, they could have exchanged 4,500 of old notes into new ones. So if one holder produced 200 of these identity cards, he would get 9 lakh rupees at one go.
The almost daily seizures of cash today saw Finance Minister Arun Jaitley sparring with his predecessor, P. Chidambaram.
How does anyone get 34 crore worth of 2,000 rupee notes? This is the biggest scam of the year.
As far as corruption scandals were concerned, they peaked during that period. It did not take a single step either against corruption or against black money.
With only 3 days left of the winter session of Parliament, it's unlikely to come out of the deep freeze it has been pushed into by the bitter politics over demonetization.
The number of raids and arrests just go on to show how the government is also focusing their probe now on insiders in the banking system. With Harish Upadhyay, Rituraj Sharma and camera person Tulsi Dharan, in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.